Hey guys, I'm Rachel today, and today is day one of vlogmas. You guys may be thinking, Caroline, you're a bit late to vlogmas, it's the 20th of December. But I really wanted to do vlogmas this year, but of course I'm still at school, so I couldn't really do that. Now that I'm out of school now, I'm going to do a mini vlogmas from the 20th of December up to the 24th. Today is the 20th of December, so let's go! So today I'm going to go over to a friend's house and we're going to go explore some woods or something. And then at 3:30 I have a dentist appointment, which I'm going to. That is my day today. And I'm bringing you guys along. So, time to do my Christmas calendar. Right. So, day 20. Wow, Phil. There you go. What is it then? It's a snowman. How cute. Yummy. It was a bit of a rush start this morning, and outside smells like poo, but I live opposite a farm, so that's understandable. I didn't wake up late, I just started vlogging late. I wanted to get all my makeup and my clothes on first. Hi guys, so now I'm at Luke's house. Say hi, Luke.
Hello.
And this is his dog. Hello.
One of them.
One of them, yeah. Oh, he's so cute. This place has really changed since I've been last went here. I last came here when I was 12.
No, younger than that.
No, 11. 10. And they've got a big extension now, which is lovely. Anyway, yeah. Fossios hasn't arrived yet though. But he should be here soon. Oh, look at the cat. It's called Frankie. I love cats. I had a cat. Hello. Oh, look at you. Luke's already given me the grand tour.
Of my house.
Of your own house, yeah. It's really nice though. I love your Christmas tree. Your Christmas tree is really nice.
Yeah.
You're coming too? Is he going to come to the woods with us today? Is he going to come to the woods with us today?
Possibly, if he's behaving.
Oh, I hope he does. I love him. Look, he's so cute. Wait, what's your other dog called?
Barney.
Barney. I thought you said Brian then.
No.
Look at
He's
him.
a little beagle, and as beagles are known before, they run off.
Apparently he's not even fully grown yet.
No, he's not. He will. He's about halfway through his growing stage, so.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's still a puppy.
Oh. Oh, the way he's looking at me, I can't take it. Oh, this is so cute. Where's Luke? I can't see him. I can't find him. Luke, where are you?
I'm here! I'm back here.
Why is it so short on your arm? You look like the Michelin Man.
He's a gangster. it's cleaner. Vegan, no. Right, fine, let's do this.
Fight.
No!
Luke versus dog, who will win?
No, come on, stop it, Vegan.
This is our destination.
Destination.
Fossios is here! Hey!
Hi.
He's still fighting! Oh, Luke won! He won WrestleMania versus his own dog. Up here.
Oh, up here.
We're going to walk up to the top of the hill, see everything, it will be beautiful. Then, yes, I've walked across here. No, but let's go. No, it's not a bridle path, it's a footpath, guys. God, get it right. I've walked up here loads of times.
Oh no.
Oh, I forgot about the dog. Luke, you can carry him. You can carry him.
Sorry. Right, let's get the leaves.
I'll just film. I'll be useful and film.
Get him over.
Right. I didn't think about the dog, did I? Sorry, Regal. I love you, but go on, Luke. Let's see this muscle. He's pulling Fossios over the fence. Look at them.
the top bit.
Oh, it's not that thingy.
This is Bramble, guys.
Right. It's alright if you get him at the top side of him. It's not that heavy.
Grab him, Fotios.
It's not that heavy, trust me. Just get his legs. Get his legs.
Yeah.
Try and lift him.
Okay, okay. Go, Fotios.
Right, just let him go. There you go.
Yeah!
Oh.
Yay, Regal!
You just call him Regal.
Regal.
Regal, no! I meant Regan. I'm really bad with names. It took me like a good week to learn your name. I was like, yeah, Fotty what? Fotty what? What is your name? Let's go! Come on! Don't run into my leg again! No, go chase Fotty off! I'm coming too! There's the science! There's the science! There's the science! We just ran up that hill. Woo! I'm tired now. How are you feeling, Fotios? So we've reached the top of this hill in our village and look at the view, it's so nice. Hey Luke.
Hello.
And Luke's been told off by his mum for bringing the dog out. So she's coming back to take him home.
Go home now.
Yeah, we're gonna go
Just
home.
gonna bring him so he doesn't get there.
Alright. And I'm standing in a trough. A dog trough? No, it's a cow trough. But look at this view, guys. Look at it. Look how nice that is. My village is down there. look at Luke. Walking away. Luke, this does say squeeze through. It does say private, Luke. I mean, it's a tractor. It's a tractor, guys. No, look. So we had to have a quick escape as the tractor came through, and we're not sure we're allowed in here. Me and Fotios were like, run!
Dogs on the lead.
True.
Well, we don't have a dog.
Why would they put that if they didn't want you walking through it?
Yeah, but we don't have a dog, so it might be only for dogs.
Well, you can be the dog then.
Okay. I'll try to.
I'll try to. Got to squeeze through here now.
Woof woof. Go on, practice it.
Woof woof.
Yes, Fotios.
I can't see Luke. Honestly, I can't find
You got
him.
your bus pass on your phone on holidays.
Who cares if I do?
Oh, that's all the... I wonder who lives in that.
What?
I wonder who lives in that.
No one.
You
Where
know.
did you run to? Like, you just
didn't
ran.
even
Luke,
touch
look
Farmers can be
at
very
your top.
aggressive and
Look at your
hostile.
top, Luke. How could you not see you? Honestly.
I know, I'm like camouflage expert.
What, in a pack of highlighters?
No,
It's
we
called
should
irony, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want.
Can we go back through the woods?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's least muddy.
Woods end here, see, so...
Yeah, I see that.
There's another set of woods over there, but...
Now we're alright. I want to go back and have pizza. Yeah, let's go exploring. Let's go off the path, guys. This is really cute. Yeah. It's a trail. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, it's the perfect place to have like a sleepover. Oh, I don't know. Or like a camp.
I have like leaves down my neck. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's actually so cool.
Oh, I want to see a picture. It's a good bit of
Yep.
picture.
Get your camera out.
Let's have a Meh.
I've just seen a wood full of weirdos.
Wood of
Guys, look, there's a helicopter. It's coming for us. Run! Legit, it's going straight over us. Where is it?
Probably thinks they're like wanting criminals.
Ah! Where is it? I can hear it, but I can't see it.
Sorry, August.
Here
Here it is,
Ah!
there it is.
There's the train!
The train. There, there.
I
Right.
see it! I see the train! Yay!
You're
I
not
really
pointing-
don't care.
Caroline. Oh, Luke, that's your thing. I mean,
That's fine.
oh, Luke,
Come on, Luke.
Hello. Ooh. Robbie's a bit tight. Oh, look.
Oh.
Ooh, look. Hello.
Oh, you're licking me. Are you licking me? Oh.
Body's a bit
All the
angry.
attention.
Let's shove it in your mouth and try to say stuff. Okay. Hiya! Hey, good today, aren't I?
She played
Oh, my lips hurt.
Hello.
The lips, the teeth, the tooth. The lips, the teeth, the tooth, and the tongue. Ow! Ah! Alright, let's put this back in.
Back in.
This is-
Let's get it back in.
Unhygienic game.
Would you like me to hold it?
Yeah. I can't.
Nanny's dead sheets are loading backpacks.
Never like
Girls
Doritos on a Friday.
Did you say Doritos? Yeah. Oh, burritos.
Looking words right rhymes.
I know.
What's that say? Sorry.
Private throat eagle.
Trigger.
Quietly hacked once hitting your pizza. This is so weird. Oh my god, Luke. That's not yours, Regan. It's not yours. Luke's.
Wait. Big money wants you.
Oh. Oh. That is adorable.
Oh my god.
Oh, put the hood on. Oh. Don't bite his leg.
Oh, very good. Any holes that keep your dog?
Regan.
Savage dog.
Regan. No, he likes to get. Regan.
Oh.
He is
Okay,
savage.
let's take this off. Are you okay?
I need Regan to shut this.
Let's take this off. Okay, so I've left Luke's now. I had a great time. We went all walking around over a load of hills and we took the dog out. But now I'm on the way to my dentist appointment. So I just arrived home and dentist check. Basically, there's nothing wrong with my teeth. I just need to brush the top right of my side of my mouth more because it was bleeding a bit. So, and I still have one of my milk teeth, and we're not sure if there's a tooth underneath it that will grow through. It could be stuck down there, or it could just not be there. So I might have to go to the orthodontist and get a proper X-ray. They did take another X-ray. Can you see it out on there? That is still a milk tooth. So it's a lot later now. I haven't really done anything since I got home, but I did straighten my hair and redo my eye makeup. I took off my eyeshadow and I redid my eyeliner and mascara, and that is about it. I had dinner and I've been watching YouTube videos about the Suicide Squad, which is just truly incredible. Harley Quinn is legit my favourite character in the whole world. It's 9:30 now, so I'm gonna finish this vlog here. Tomorrow I am planning to hang out with Karis. Anyway, if you enjoyed the vlog, please leave a like and subscribe. I will leave, I'm not sure about this, but I'll leave Luke and Fotios's Instagrams down below. They were really nice, had a really good day, it was really fun. I don't think Fotios has Instagram actually. I think it's just Luke. So I'll leave Luke's down in the description. Anyway, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!